Hello students, today I will start the next topic of unit 1, that is relation. In relation, you can see there are two sets. Let A and B are two known empty sets. Then the relation R, that is capital R, from A to B will be a subset of Cartesian product. Cartesian product we have already discussed in the previous PPT, which is defined by A cross B. A cross B is a subset. R is a relation is a subset of A cross B under some rules. Rules means less than, greater than, equal to, whatever it may be defined. For example, suppose there are two sets and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. In second B set, three elements. Then let there are two sets A and B where it is the condition define the relation xy where x is less than y. As you know, in Cartesian product, first element belongs to set A and second element belongs to set B. So students, here we will write the relation by using the condition x is less than y. Then our relation will be 1 3 1 4 1 5 2 3 2 3 2 4 2 5. Then 3 3 will not be there, means equal to condition is not there. 3 4 3 5. Then 4 4 3 will not come, then it will become greater, so 4 5. So this is a relation set which is defined capital R equals to this. I hope you understand. Now, second thing is domain of a relation. Domain, codomain, and range, as you know, that is used in function. Now you will see in relation. In relation, domain of relation, that is set of all first coordinates of the relation. This is defined by capital R. So in first set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the domain. Set of second ordinates of the second set, that is range. So this is domain, it is range. Now relation on A, if R is the relation for set A to A itself, then it is called relation on A, means both are same, A to A, that's why A square. Now very important things, that is, if A is a non-empty set, then phi belongs to A cross A is a void or empty relation. You must know phi is a null set due to, that's why here phi is a empty relation. Second point, phi is the smallest relation and A cross B is the largest relation. Always you must know as an objective point of view what is the largest relation and what is the smallest relation. And both phi and A cross B are called rival relation. These things you have to note in your notes. So now come to second point, that is inverse relation. Inverse means just reverse. If capital R, always define it by capital R. If capital R is a relation from A to B, then R equals to this. A belongs to A and B belongs to B. And A inverse, just reverse, it means AB के बजाय it will be BA, such that B belongs to B and A belongs to A. So this is the example. If R is this, then R inverse will be this. Now second point, that is complement of a relation. These are the definition of complement of relation, that is denoted by R bar or R dash. If it is a set of all ordered pair, it does not belong to the relation, means the वो relation को belong ना करते हुए. So R bar, that is A cross B minus R. So if your relation that is defined in our first case, so R bar will be 3 3 4 4 4 3, because these elements are not in our relation. So students, you must know those elements, those ordered pair which are not in relation, which are not satisfying the condition, that will be the complement of a relation. You can also define it by RC, that too is the complement of a relation. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now come to representation of relation. There are so many methods. Here we will see first method, that is roster method. As you have already seen, R 2x 3y 5z, it means your relation define है. Here first element is first set is having element 2 3 5 and second set is having element x y z. So this is the set. Now second method, that is matrix method, which is very important. You must know all of this. Now here just it is just like a matrix, and you know what is a matrix in your previous semester. So now A equals to, suppose A is a set having elements A1 A2 up to AM, and D is a set B1, B2 up to Bn. Then relation R, that is Aij M cross N. This is the notation of matrix where Mij equals to 0. It means you will put, if Aibj means element of set, ordered pair of set does not belongs to R, then you will put 0 in your matrix. If Aibj belongs to R, then you will put 1 in your matrix. It is very important. So see it carefully. So for example, suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3, B, X, Y, Z, and this relation R is defined. If R is defined, so first you will write A 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z. It should be in this way. Now Mij is 0. Since 1x is not in your relation, so put it 0. 1y is there. 1y is there, so put it 1. 1z is there, so put it 1. Now 2x, since 2x is not here, so 0. 2y is not there, 0. 2z is not in the relation, it is 0. 3x is also 0. 3y in the relation means those pair, ordered pair are present in the relation. We will put 1 according to our definition, otherwise it is 0. So it will be your matrix representation of relation. The second method. Now third method, that is adjacency, means it is very simple. You have to put right or cross which ordered pair are present in your relation. I hope you can understand all this topic. Thank you. Thank you, beta.